your team ng Merling. Merling Alawas ka, please.
How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid?
Happy 60th birthday ng Merly. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Nangining!
Happy birthday ng Nineng. Ingat ka palagi. Huwag ka masyadong magpagod. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday ng Nining, ng Morley. Enjoy your day. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo ngayon. Sana maligaya ka sa araw mo na to. 60 years old ka na pero hindi naman halata na 60 ka na. Ayan, lagi kang mag-ingat. Good health lagi. We love you. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Ate Marley, happy birthday. Yan, 60 ka na. Tumatanda ka na. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng marami pang birthday. God bless you. Always.
Happy birthday, Auntie Neng!
Happy birthday, Tanay. God bless you.
Birthday, Auntie Ning. Happy birthday, Auntie Ning. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie Ning. Happy birthday ng Merly. Welcome to Senior World. 60 ka na. Kailangan lagi kang malakas. Minom ka ng vitamins para lagi kang malusog at makasama mo pa yung mga apo natin. Happy birthday!
60th birthday ni Merly. Wish you good health. Tumatanda na tayo. Hehehe.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Merly. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday. Wish ko lang na sana lagi kang good health, strong, at saka nalagpasan yung mga pagsubok sa buhay. Dito lang kami ng mga pinsan mo na nagmamahal sa'yo palagi. Pero ito, wala akong gift sa'yo, kundi simpleng gulay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ng Merly. Wish you good health always and more blessings to come. Stay sweet as you are and stay young as 30 years old. Love you. Bye.
Birthday, Ma. God bless. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Marinileng. Nawa, bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay, kalakasan.
Happy birthday po, Lola Nineng.
Happy birthday po, Lola Nene!
Happy birthday!
Hello! Happy New Year, everyone! Hi, Nang! Happy 60th birthday! Wishing you more birthdays to celebrate. Tsaka good health sa'yo. Ingatan mo lagi ang iyong sarili. Stay healthy and beautiful as always. Thank you kasi andyan ka bilang pinsan, ate, na pagkailangan ko ng kuusap, andyan ka. Laging nangangamusta. Tsaka hindi talaga nakakalimot. Thank you. Pasensya na minsan hindi man lang kita makamusta kasi sobrang busy ko. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi kahit hindi kita kinakamusta, lagi naman kitang pinagpipray. So, thank you. More birthday to celebrate. Mag-ingat ka palagi at alagaan ang sarili mo. I love you!
Happy birthday, Auntie Neng!
Happy birthday, Auntie Neng.
Happy birthday, Tanay. God bless you.